In this video, I'll show you how to get a virtual card on Wise. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap Cards at the bottom, or from the menu, tap Cards. If you don't have any card yet, you may need to order a physical card first, depending on your country. Just follow the prompts if Wise asks you to do that. Once cards are available on your account, you'll see an option for a digital/virtual card. Tap Get a Digital Card or Add New Card, then follow the steps to create it. Wise will instantly generate a virtual card with its own card number, expiry date, and CVC that you can use online. After it's created, tap your digital card and choose Show Details to see the full card info. From this screen, you can also add the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay, so you can pay in apps and in stores using your phone or smartwatch. Your Wise virtual card is now ready to use anywhere regular debit cards are accepted online, and you can freeze or replace it from the same card section anytime for extra security. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.